Hello students, hope you are well. Let me know in the comment section how was your paper 2. Today we will be discussing predicted topics for paper 4. Our first predicted topic is differentiation. Let's do some questions. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of the turning points of y is equal to 10 plus 9x square minus 2x cube. You must show all your working. Now, in order to find turning points, firstly we will be calculating dy by dx. Dy by dx will be equal to, for constant it will be 0, 9x square it will be 18x, and minus 2x cube it will be minus 6x square. Now for turning point, we will be setting dy by dx is equal to 0. So we get 18x minus 6x square to be equal to 0. Now 6x is common. We get 3 minus x is equal to 0. That implies we get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 3. Now we will be finding the values of y. Now y at x is equal to 0. Now we will be putting x value 0 in this equation. We get y is equal to 10. Similarly, y at x is equal to 3. So we will be getting y is equal to 10 plus 9, 3 square minus 2 into 3 cube, which will be equal to 10 plus 9 into 9 minus 2 into 27, which will be equal to 10 plus 9, 81 minus 54, 91 minus 54, that is 37. Now, coordinates of turning point will be 0, 10 and 337. Now determine whether each turning point is maximum or minimum. Now for checking it is maximum or minimum, show how you decide. This also we have to show. Now we will have to find d2y by dx square. Now dy by dx is 18x minus 6x square. So d2y by dx square will be 18 minus 12x. Now we will be putting one turning point first. Now at 0, 10, d2y by dx square will be equal to, now we will be substituting x as 0 and y 10, so it will be 18. Now as d2y by dx square is positive, therefore point 010 is minimum. This is very important. We have to write show how we decided. Now at point 337, d2y by dx square will be equal to 18 minus 12 into 3. That is 18 minus 36 minus 18, which is negative. Now as d2y by dx square is negative, therefore 337 is maximum. Now question number 2, the point 1 minus 6 lies on the curve. This curve has a derived function. Show that the minus 1, 6 is a stationary point of the curve. Now in order to prove show that this point is a stationary point, if we substitute this point in derived function and it comes to be 0, then this will be a stationary point. Now at minus 1, 6, dy by dx equal to minus 4 minus 1 whole cube minus 9 into minus 1 square plus 5. It will be 4 minus 9 plus 5, which is equal to 0. As dy by dx is 0 at minus 1 6. Minus 1 6 is a stationary point. B part, the a different curve has an equation y is equal to 2x cube minus 6x plus a. Calculate the gradient of the tangent to this curve at point minus 2, 2. Now we need to find the gradient, so we'll be calculating dy by dx, which will be equal to 2 into 3 x square minus 6, that is 6x square minus 6. Now the point is given minus 2 and 2. Now at minus 2 and 2, it will be equal to 6 into minus 2 square minus 6. 6 into 4 minus 6, 24 minus 6, which is 18. Second part, find the x coordinates of the stationary point of the curve. Now for stationary points, we will set dy by dx is equal to 0. That is 6x square minus 6 is equal to 0. 6x square minus 1 equal to 0. That implies x square minus 1 is equal to 0 and x is equal to plus minus 1. Now we need to find the x coordinates. So our answer will be 1 and minus 1. Now question number 3, y is equal to x7 minus 7 6 x6. Find the derivative of y with respect to x. So we need to find dy by dx, which will be equal to 7x6 minus 7 into 6x raised to power 5. That is 7x6 minus 42x5. B part, find the equation of the tangent to the graph y is equal to x7 minus 7x6 at the point where x is equal to minus 1. Give your answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So now we will be finding dy by dx and x is equal to minus 1, which is equal to 7 into minus 1 6 minus 42 minus 1 5, which will be equal to 7 minus plus 42, that is 49. Now value of y at x is equal to minus 1, which will be equal, this is dy by dx is our slope, we can write it m is equal to 49. So y will be at x is equal to minus 1 will be minus 1 power 7 minus 7 minus 1 power 6, which will be equal to minus 1 plus 7 minus 7, which is equal to minus 8. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So y minus y1 is minus 8 is equal to m, that is 49. X minus x1 is minus 1. So y plus 8 is equal to 49x plus 49. So y will be equal to 49x plus 49 minus 8, that is y is equal to 49x plus 41. Now this is our equation of tangent. C part, the graph of y is equal to x7 minus 7x6 has two turning points. Find the coordinates of this point. You must show all the working. So for turning point, we will be setting dy by dx equal to 0. So we get dy by dx is equal to 7x6 minus 42x5 equal to 0. Now 7x raised to power 5 is common, we are left with x minus 6 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 6. Now y at x is equal to 0, we will be substituting x as 0, so we will be getting y as 0. Now y at x is equal to 6 will be equal to y is equal to 6 power 7 minus 7 into 6 power 6. Now you can use calculator and find the value of y. Y will be equal to, let me use a calculator, minus 46656. So we have coordinates as of turning points as 0, 0 and 6 minus 4, 6, 6, 5, 6. Hope you find this video useful. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can write into the comment section. Our next predictive topic is functions, which we will be doing tomorrow. Thank you.